friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a prototype from Poppy Playtime 5, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started on the top of our page, and we're going to draw in a circle. So starting right in the middle, we're going to draw in a nice big circle in the center. Let's draw in our eyes now. So stepping over on the left hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for that left eye. And then we'll step across on the right, replicating that. Let's come over towards the inside here. We're going to draw in a circle right in the center. And then we'll come right in towards the middle, drawing in another circle. Let's draw in the mouth, stepping up. On the left-hand side beside our eye, curving this around, and we're going to curve this all the way across to the right-hand side, trying our best to line that up at the same height. Now from there, on the left-hand side, we're going to, from that corner, curve this back around, creating a nice big arch line, connecting that together on the side. Let's frame in the teeth. So on either side, we're just going to curve this line down towards the bottom. And then now from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's draw on the bottom row of teeth. So coming in, we're going to draw in a small straight line coming up towards the top. And then we're going to close this off again with another curved line. Let's add in the teeth. So right in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line. Let's step out, drawing in another straight line coming up on either side. Let's step over again, replicating that. Continuing to move across, filling in the rest of that open space. We're going to replicate that again. Again, moving over, curving that up one more time. Now let's come underneath. So on either side, we're going to draw a diagonal line joining together at a point right in the middle. And now let's come out. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line over. We'll replicate that, lining that up at the same height on the right. Now from here on either side, we're going to curve this line around, tucking that in and then down. Ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to close it off underneath with a circle. Let's move back up on the left-hand side. We're going to arch this around, tucking that in, and we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Now on the left-hand side, starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this line up, tucking that around and out. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to again curve this line up and over on the left. Now from here, we're going to close this off with a circle. So starting on that bottom line, let's just draw in our circle, coming all the way around, tucking that back in underneath. And now on either side, on the top, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line, tucking down. Let's continue to draw the rest of the body. So we're going to step up on our neck, curving this around, connecting that together, tucking that in. Now from here, we're going to draw our diagonal line coming out. We'll do the same on the left. We're going to end that at the same height. Let's come up for the collar. We're going to curve this line across on either side. And then now from that point, we're just going to arch this line back down and in, leaving a gap from our line on the top. Now from here, let's step up on a diagonal, curving this out, just following the shape of that line directly up above. And then we'll connect that by curving that back in towards the neck. Now let's flatten this out on either side. Let's move in towards the middle now. We're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. And then now from here underneath, just closing that off with an arch line. Now on the top, we're going to round this out, curving this down, connecting it to both of those lines, pulling that through to the bottom. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, connecting that together. Let's step in, leaving a gap. We're going to curve this around and in towards the middle, again leaving a gap right in the center. And then we're just going to close that off with a diagonal line. Let's move in towards the middle, curving this down on both sides. Now let's move up from the center. We're going to step out, drawing a diagonal line coming up on either side. And then moving up again one more time, just another diagonal line coming in towards that chin. Let's step out. Let's bring our diagonal line down. And then we're going to tuck that line in towards the center. Now from here, we're going to replicate that pattern, bringing that line out, tucking that back in. Now from the middle, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines joining together right in the center at a point. Let's come down on this line. We're going to extend this diagonal line through. We'll tuck that back up. We'll do the same, stepping up on this line, tucking this line out, bringing that back in. Let's flatten this out on the left-hand side. We're going to extend this all the way down. Now from here on the right, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming across. We'll do the exact same thing on the left. Let's come up now. We're going to curve another line that comes out on either side. Let's drag this in. So we're going to curve this in slightly as we come all the way down towards the bottom. Again, just ending this at the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw a small diagonal line coming out on either side. And then we'll close this off with another diagonal line coming in towards the middle. Now let's step out. On the left-hand side, we're going to bring this diagonal line out and in. We'll do the same on the right, bringing this out and in, except we're just going to leave a gap. Let's start to bring this line down towards the bottom now. We're going to follow this pattern underneath, diagonal line coming across, and then we'll just tuck that back up on the side. Let's do the same thing on the left. So we're going to bring this diagonal line across, and then again, tucking that back up on the left-hand side. Now from here on both sides, drawing in a circle. Let's step in. We're going to draw two straight lines. Let's close this off underneath now with a curved line. Now let's move out. On the top, we're going to curve this out. Now let's come up. We're going to curve this around and in towards the jacket. Again, stepping down, we're going to curve this out on either side. And then we'll close this off underneath with a curved line. Let's move back down again, curving this across. And then moving under, arching this around, tucking that back up. Now let's come in. We're just going to draw a small diagonal line on either side. And then we'll close that off underneath with a curved line. And that is it. That's how you draw a prototype from Poppy Playtime 5. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.